For this section, you have a whole bunch of pictures in your rectangle up at the top, and you're going to tell me which one does not belong with the rest. So I didn't give you a category name. You're going to have to look at the pictures and decide what the category is, and then find the picture that does not match that category. So for the first one, I see that a lot of these are triangles, but only one of them is not. So my category would be triangles, and the one that does not match that category is the circle. So I'm going to take my X down here, I'm going to click it and drag it over top of the circle so that it shows me that that one does not belong. Let's do one more together. So I'm looking at these on my box, and I'm seeing a lot of them are having to do with sports. I have a football, a soccer ball, a volleyball, bocce ball, all sorts of stuff for sports. But I see something that does not really go with sports. Do you see it? It's the hot air balloon. That would be for travel or entertainment. So I'm going to take my X, I'm going to drag it over top of the hot air balloon. And that shows your teacher that that does not belong to the category. So there are a couple more for you to practice on. When you finish with the snowflake slide, that means you're all done, so you can turn it into Google Classroom.